Xgen has many safety features designed on board. These are power limiting, current limit protection, short circuit protection, and thermal shutdown. In this video, we will demonstrate to you some of the feature set and how they function. Here we demonstrate the short circuit protection of the Xgen series in conjunction with the power good signal. The power good is an open collector output of an optocoupler, and we were monitoring this via the 5 volt pull-up, and we're taking the 5 volt from the bias supply on the J2 connector. We are monitoring both the power good and we're monitoring the output voltage. What we have here is we have a switch directly across the output of the unit, which we can short and open. So we'll be looking here at the LED indicator, and we'll be looking here on the scope at the power good. So if we put the unit into a short circuit, you can see here, firstly you'll notice that the LED has now gone off. If you look at it via the scope, you can see here the 24 volts, which when the short circuit occurs, the output discharges, the state of the open collector changes accordingly, and the unit goes into a short circuit protection mode. You will also notice that all of the other modules remain on, as this control loop is only for the unit which is short circuited. We now focus on the operation of the unit during a short circuit, and again we have the switch across the output. Via the oscilloscope we are monitoring the output voltage, which is set to 24 volts, and we are also monitoring the output of the open collector, which is pulled up to the 5 volt supply via a 4K 7 ohm resistor. As we put the unit into a short circuit, you will see here the occurrence. The open collector changes state because the output is no longer a valid output. But what we want to focus on here is the operation of the unit during the short circuit protection mode. We turn the unit into what we call a hiccup mode, where we turn off the output stage for a predetermined set of time, and the unit will try to come back on again. If the short circuit is still present, it will back off for again the same amount of time and try to restart at regular intervals. As long as the short circuit is present, you can see this, the power good remains off.